I'm gonna show you how easy it is to restring this cordless Kobalt 80-volt weed eater. Man, this is one of the best investments I've had. I've been doing it wrong. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. So I'm gonna put my camera on the holder so I can zoom in and let you see. But before, what I usually do, I take this off, and this is hard to take off, but you don't have to do that. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do it. It only takes maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay, here we go. It's two ways you can do this, and I've been doing it that first way there at the top. And that's very difficult because you got to take that cover off, and if you haven't taken it off in a while, it's very hard to take off. I got another video on how to do that one. But I'm gonna show you the easiest and simplest way to do it. It says to install the cutting line. Number 2, this is the simplest and easiest way to do it. And you can look at these instructions, or you can just throw your instructions away and follow me. It's real simple. So first, what you want to do is just get your line. And I got right here, I got the 95 thousandths of an inch line. So I got the thick line. So I like using this thick stuff so it lasts a little longer. But you want to cut this about 10 feet, no longer than 10 feet if you've seen in the instructions. If you're using 0.95, if you're using 80 thousandths of an inch, you can cut it another 3 feet, 13 feet. But first, what you want to do, you see this little dot, this little arrow right here, and this arrow, you want to push down and you want to line those up together. You see that little slot right there? Line that up, okay? And then what you want to do is take your cable or take your line, and it tells you to go this way. So it says right here, you see where it says line, the arrow, so you want to push it in right here, and it'll come out on the other side. You may have to move it around a little bit to get it to go through. As you see, it came out through the other side. Then you want to pull it and line it up until it's even. And I got it even. And then what you want to do is come right here and you want to turn it counterclockwise. Like I said, you're going about 10 feet. And if it gets kind of hard, you can stop. Mine's, like I said, 10 feet. And that's it. That's how easy it is to string this thing. Like I said, I've been doing it the hard way, but that's the easiest way to do it. And whenever it's too short and you want more, you just push in and pull, and it'll give you a little bit more. See that? Push, pull to get more. And if you want to wind it in some more, you got too much, just push and go counterclockwise. That's it. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.